There's a man.
This is what happens
funny
when the guys get to walk with the girls.
He lives way back a long time ago. He don't eat nothing but a bear cat stew. Well, this cat's name is Alley-Oo. He got a chauffeur that's a genuine dinosaur. And he can knuckle your head before you count to 4. He got a big ugly club and a head full of hair. Like great big lions and grizzly bears. He's the toughest man there is alive. Wearing clothes from a wildcat's hide. He's the king of the jungle jive. Look at that caveman go. He rides through the jungle tearing limbs off of trees. Knocking great big monsters dead on their knees. The cats don't bug him cause they know better. Cause he's a mean motor scooter and a bad go-getter. He's the toughest man there is alive. Wears clothes from a wildcat's hide. He's the king of the jungle jive. Look at that caveman go. There he goes. Look at that caveman go. He sure is hip, ain't he? Like what's happening? He's too much. Right, daddy, right. Hi-yo, dinosaur.
Hello guys. That's it for today. I think that. How do you think about the Big Bad Wolf? What is it, a book fair?
No, I think it's very expensive for a book.
No, it's not. It's not cheap. It's so cheap. Oh my god.
It's like 50,000 or 65,000.
It's so cheap, you know. If we buy it at a regular bookshop, we can buy it for 100,000 rupiah.
Even more.
Yeah, even more. It's so.
You know,
so
but
cheap.
you know, but I only got around 30,000 in my wallet. That moment, yeah. When I pay for the transport, then I got no money left. I borrow his money. I got no money left, and I don't know how to get home right now. Oh my god.
So guys, we were so having fun today.
Nope.
Not really. Not really. Okay.
We're just wasting our time, and yeah, for the boys, I
Find
don't.
any book. Yeah, and we didn't find any good book.
So we didn't buy.
Yes.
What does it call? Book fair.
Yeah.
Big Bad Wolf.
Yes,
do you
the Big
feel?
Bad Wolf. No, actually I don't really like to read the books, so I'm not interested at all in books, so it's quite boring for me. Yeah, I'm talking rubbish right now, but it's just exhausting day. I got no money left for today.
And he can't go home.
I can't go home right now, so I have to figure my way out to go home.
Poor Valen. God bless you.
No one wants to lend me his money or her money. Please, Sadit.
Give us a chance.
Give me some money for this task. Who is she?
Who feel happy here?
No.
No one?
No.
Feel happy?
How about you?
You're talking rubbish like right now.
I don't think I'm having fun too, but yeah, I have to be a little bit sarcastic for this vlog. Actually, I want to buy a book, but when I went there and I didn't find any good can buy anything, and it sucks.
And I thought that the place is so big.
Yeah, so we are so confused. Like we don't know where to go.
You got lost in the trip.
Oh my god.
I sent you some message, but you only said that. Where are you? Where are you? And then I asked the same question. Where are you? No one answered me anymore. I think that's it from me, and yeah.
Okay, it's no problem. Okay.
Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you next time in the air vlog. Oh my god. So, how do you feel today?
I feel very boring.
Yes,
boring.
Yes.
Yes, you are very boring.
Yes,
No, I feel very boring. Not I'm boring.
No wonder. He doesn't get a girl.
I have a girl.
I'm just exhausted for today, and
So let's just go home. It's getting dark here.
It's getting dark, so I think it's the end of our vlog. Yes, I think.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait.
we lost them for sure, I think.
Valen, have to focus the camera.
Oh, this one.
Just focus it yourself.
Is it getting clear?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear now. Okay, it's good. It's
Handsome
good.
boy.